How to add voice recorder to lock screen corner on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, from the home screen, touch and hold on the home screen, then tap on Wallpaper and Style. Next, tap on the lock screen panel. Then we tap on the left or the right shortcut. So here I will tap on the left shortcut. Then we scroll down and select voice recorder. Next, tap on done. Now go back to your lock screen, and when you would like to use the voice recorder, just swipe on it and voice recorder will start. Here it says tap the lock icon to unlock your phone and view all your recordings. Now you don't need to unlock it to start the recording, you can just tap on the record button. But if you would like to view your voice recording, then you need to unlock the screen. So whenever you want to quickly start voice recording, just swipe and then tap on the microphone button to start. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.